This is Piano Adventures for Older Beginners, Book 1, Lesson, page 66 and 67, called Forest Drums. Now on this song, we are going to be moving our left hand from our set position of thumb on A and pinky on D, and then we will be moving that down to G and C for certain sections of the song. That's the only place that that hand is moving, other than the walking down on page 67, measure 16. You'll see that. So that's the only thing that hand is doing on that side. So that's pretty easy. Over on the right hand, we are starting with our third finger on F, okay? And you'll see this common theme. You'll hear that throughout the song. That is that other pattern that we need to pay attention to on here. I would recommend doing hands separate and then doing hands together. That tends to really help to be able to get the idea of the song down. So this is supposed to be this kind of rhythmic kind of a song. So you'll be starting here in this position. And let's go ahead and go through the song, and I'll point out different details as we go along. So we start out with the left hand. We're going to be holding it for one beat before we come in with the other hand. 2, 3, 4. Make sure that you're holding the appropriate beats for this song as well. This is supposed to be moving a little bit quicker, so you can pick up the pace on this. But let's just start it out slow, get it done the correct way, and then we can speed up the song. So I'll go ahead and play through the song all the way through. Alright, that's a song all the way through. So make sure that you're looking at where those hands are moving. You'll see a circle around the finger numbers on measure 10 and 11. That's one of the places that it will be moving. You'll also see it on measure 14 and 15. We have that hand moving again from, okay, and then going back and forth. So make sure that you're paying attention to that. Make sure that you are counting throughout the song as well. It's good to go ahead and count out loud when you're first going through this so that you get that rhythm and that tempo. Making sure that you're paying attention to these rests in the song as well. That's very important. Look at your dynamics through the song as well. We're starting out with mezzo forte, so medium loud, and we're going all the way through to forte at measure 9, so we're increasing. Make sure that when you're hitting that drum beat of the, okay, that you are putting an accent on that. We have the accent mark on those notes, so pay attention to that so that it pulls that note out just a little bit higher than the rest of the notes around it. And then right at the end of the song, we see we are coming down into mezzo piano and then piano when we move down an octave. So we're moving down to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. And you saw I accidentally went down to here, but we should be right here. So thumb on A and pinky on D. So you're 1 and you're 5, holding that down. So all you're doing is just moving from your normal position down 1 octave for those last 2 measures.